All right, you're flashy fools. We are getting started. First thing we're going to do once you get into your Python REPL, you're going to assign the initial values for R, S, and T. And in Python, we just do that with a simple equal sign. R equals 1, S equals 2, and T equals 3. No, you do not need to put a space between them, but I just like to do that because that is my particular coding style. Now I put in a space, but you don't need to put in a space. Again, just my coding style. I'm going to reassign variables R and S according to our pseudocode over here. So R is now equal to S, T, or I should say S is now equal to T. And then finally, we are going to display in Python. To display, we mean print. So I'm going to print R, and then I'm going to also print S. Let's run it. Now you'll see we just get 2, 3 at the end, which is what we want. And we are technically done. But if we want to take that to the next level, we can provide some other aspects to our code to help us read it a little better. So I'm just going to add some lines here and just say that this, or I should say these are the original values. And then we're going to print R. Concatenate. Then we have to add this string here. And we're going to do the same for S. Notice how I did not take it over, just copy and pasting. Now when I run it, and then finally, I'll do the same, but for this last part, it'll look more like this. Instead of original, new values. And there we go. And finally, I realized we didn't have T in here, so I'm just going to put that in there, just so we have it. Now we're done.